doesn't matter. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
Good evening, ye mamu akwaba about the Jouney season 2 so yeda mo se yedi dwumadi ba ye mosom na ekoso one ewo Abbeam TV me amedi dwumadi ho chia me din e di Abena Ghana na yeda aboafo amaso yasen na wotwe bia yetimi di dwumadi April ewo TV iso yeda time here ba Mr. say o si malaria day edwo ba kope enwane time give us clean care leaf tomato paste and a KNG Heba capsules for nyina yeda mo se muguso a eso yasen na season 2 so mo ginemu na yede April enne dwumadi iso menya sofo panyin pa a ohu ni videos enama o see what's happening but o get to know niama oya na what who said that is also his way o twe akra emanyame eye prophet Abbeam Ampomah Danso in a menyane ewo de Jouney so papa akwaba
Ena
yeda say your first season 2 so waba nyame enshraw
thank you
na ye ka say Abbeam Danso middle one de enye se me research kwa means Ampomah no ehye ho pacho ye hwan
me student of the world
okay
obi a da usua enema free ewie yase ayetie because insua de enwie etimi ni pechia na mesua na mehwe se ne nipa esitifa me obi a me do nyankopon yi pa na sabie bru minim se nyame de bribi di ahye me nsa se memfa me print emrasa siso na nchirima ne ba beto a mbeka se abranti bitena ase a ne yefre no Abbeam Ampomah Danso
ye hu videos eye celebrities na de enwanwa wo mu say enye gospel artists omo onim so omo rapi omo yes secular hip life na chese omo nina mu otwe omo banyame fie and when you hear those people worshiping God wa wotimi hu say baby no wona so mo ayira kaka edie na inspire na edie nkra na ma ho na what you say you want to worship with such people no
ade ba ko a me hu ye ne say na onyankopon se ne odo wiase ni na ode ne doba ba ko ema yen wiase so obi a obegine die no onyira obenya dankwa eye gidi a obenya onyankopon mu na wonyira na wonya dankwa yenuanom a omo sa side na from secular musicians no wohwa obi wonom a na owa sorry mu and onya gift no and I decided to make it in that way as a bridge ebetimi amoma hu se sebie bru so wo ye woniama na wo ye sebie esajuma as an artist a obenya sika wo mu no a uwia bra Yesu Kristo nchen na besom no ne hu se ono ne obo ade a obo wo nso esanse se ya ntwe wo mu amanyame mu a na se wo yira ensem afiri sebie obronsam nchen no eno no wo de betworo nwom because you see the aspire wo no and I said yeah ehye wo nkura no no mo de ba beto nwom enti na eno so ne betie ye ma nso betie ti na wo se me ben wo mo na omo hu sei onyankopon ti ase ye wo bi mo okro omo maame no omo papa no ya sofo obi ti say eno ne papa ye sofo o ti ase e na wutimu se nyame su woni mu ne mum adwuma na omo ye no eno no eye adwuma
that is what people should know
enti I was saying nipa hu say eye adwuma na won eye sa na tie
ye hwe obi ti make say nyame afre no na to be a prophet no is it by calling and now what me frɛ say me pese me ye prophets because nyame dwuma ne also but prophetic side no is it by calling
it's Diana ya kasa calling no it's something that it's onyame frɛ obia onyame frɛ wo nipa bia even nnua mpo ene numa muwa bia nyame frɛ wo ade bia nemum ye wo bribia ye frɛ ne se office ana se baby a ya frɛ wa wie ne yama odwumadie se di and no na more prophetic, you know, being a teacher, being a prophet, being an apostle, being how do I call it? You know, being evangelist. 5. Maybe I can say 6. We have the father, which is not part of the fivefold ministry in terms of say Bible more.
Okay.
But honestly, 5 no offices are se wo dor suko ewo nyame mu a na afi nyame ache wo saa dom no na sabio enipa nso agye atum se enipa we osefata se etwa se onya saa office
saa title no
no any title it's an office
eni adwuma ne muso
na sabio obi so betimi design to say what one must say send your prophetician come awurade minya ya kamiso minya bi eno nso so no sabio so ko suehunu na ye kyerɛkyerɛ wa nkakra na esansa wo donti no wani betie no na fe nso uye bi that is how it is. But being a prophet is not a calling.
It's not a calling.
It's not a calling. It's a work.
Sorry.
Ukraine me asoma me say me kan chozo de wo be ye adwum. Onyame frɛ wo nipa bia. So what is akoko bokukroko a onyame frɛ wo bia. Obia wo wiase bia nyame frɛ wo. Enti onyame soma mu no omayen ade kropoten a yenye
mission.
That's the thing.
Ntene na owe feel mission na.
Na bibia say.
Na asa Abbeam. I know you evangelist kaka prophet kaka na.
You can get all.
You can say Abbeam Danso a. But you started with ministry in Ghana and UK.
Me started in Ghana.
Okay.
I started with Kajano. Dankwa Circle.
Okay.
Your friends at Rangoon. And you move from Rangoon and they call Kajano.
Okay.
Which is Labadi.
Okay.
Punano Hono. Sana started no. And Sana you call Abruchi.
And she said, Gina, ye pane the Abruchi.
There be Gina
wa Ghana.
And so we him say a friend me Pastor Danso. It was that time never can say.
Because I'm not crying. Now we're way back. I
think we started ministry that now we were best roughly 17.
How many years now?
Ache pa. Best over calculate. Ache.
Now, Uti Ghana ya wo ministry or UK. How is it? And how ko your program now about?
Me buy 1 year ni.
1 year ni.
Me buy 1 year ni. Honestly, yeah, Juma wa.
Okay.
I mean, when you say it was say yes, you may any call Ghana because omo obeja niema mo omo no say senator no ma say niema eti ne was say me mama ni ebre. Honestly, obi obeka say Ghana ye dey no problem.
No problem.
So if you have a capital,
yeah.
Now one for any anto government so say government be bibia mama obey say na wangasa uma weni brese obey bibia you can do it. So I think say you just have to focus say obey bibia ma ho.
You just have to focus na who say obey bibi ama ho. Yen twa ye ho enkoje nkrato. Yakoji enkrato aba oguswa ready Jouney ewo Adom TV so and then my guest prophet Abbeam Ampomah Danso ene ne twetwe nkomo ewo de Jouney so tijibre na yedi nkomo. Daddy, aside you being a prophet now, oye juma. Because most of asofo enye juma and it creates a whole lot of how.
Asofo juma eye juma kese chain ejuma bia we ase. Oye sofo a sebi ebru. Asore madwen se unye nipa. De di kan se udidi. Asore baba beto se udidi a your sofo instead of bebo mpaya maye na udidi. You know sebi o yere di dokra as your sofo na bebo mpaya maye. Enti what ade bia obeye bia there's a problem. Ye juma kese sebi obitimi friend one o yere dam paso no obi afro 3 am. 2 you know just say eyehu enough from kra aso bujuma na edin pa na me to chema asofo nyina so to say asofo bi ahwe ase because of a baby nti and you never know.
Yes.
You know, you never know what we go through. It's not easy at all, but me denya me as say one hour hwe ase no timi sorry no onyame nkoso nhye wo moden na menim say de wo pa kire ne say we yes of djuma na usafa adwuma foforo sa de aka ho
eboa ko se bi ni ya hwe
omo ya hwe
sao
empire enough but say me say no, I mean we run a hospital, we run real estate, we are setting up mini what do you call it, shopping mall.
So you're doing a lot.
Yes, I mean a lot. That's what I have to say.
And also some bomb pie my
this is enough from
it's a whole lot.
Yeah, I mean, and all the time now so ni pakasa now church wo se ne ma nkoyi a also hye ni pen cry wo su no cry no na wo se wo jai ehye obi nkran ne wo su ansa na obeto nse se wo su ma obi hu se wo yire yare a ma obi hu
Wow.
because omu gidie wo mu eti se wo koso hye won nkran ehye won gidie mu. We go through a lot. And so it's a very serious work. Nti se osofo bi ya sofu djuma nyame adwuma no na osan fa se bi oye another adwuma bi sa ka ho a mitu chema won mitu chema won.
You go through your journey of you being a prophet. Is it easy?
It is not. It is
Take
not.
us through.
And yeah, easy cry because you see you are in the mouth of people. Utoka you be criticize so. One to be now to trotruma you be criticize so. Say sebi wuni onipa bi kasa. The ya kra ne say because auto offering one seed nti. And say utoka.
Yeah.
Utimu se nipa we ne offering entimi nsi wudan na wasi no. But what nim say obeto offering one seed no eye ni sika na odi asidan no.
Onim na we.
Na ya na ye ya ne say wana wo masika kase e wa sori no omo nkasa mum ne wono ma wa sori no otimi analyze o preaching na o preach ye no no wakeka na dwan kire na se ne wonim Ghana most of the Ghanaians no obi timi di yie kakra bi a yese se bi akofrem
nyamishira
boni bi
na epijawo.
And looking at me se bi o me kofa eno ana when the she abetunyum na ye gu anim ase poto sort ase na sebio nyame emfasa ma otianye ye na sebio waware mu kra o kotwa ho na menkase sa amra o nemu otianye ye na kohwe ba bia say asem kese pa but they forget say we nipa
Yeah.
etimi si
That's the main
yeah
thing.
we are always careful.
Yeah.
But sometimes life will test you in so many ways.
Yes.
And nothing I mean what problem with my peers because some of the men of God wants to say Ube Kobru same gym straight. Me, I don't serve God because I want to go to heaven. No, I don't serve God because I want to go to hell. I serve God because it is opportunity for me to be in the hands of God. Can you imagine saying Yankopon say me ba Abbeam me be say wo na oye ejamframa e wo hell na wo hye enkofo ka wo say wo ba ka hye amehye.
Oh, daddy.
So can you imagine say nyame aye me eja
Such a go for.
na me wo hell say me wo hell.
Let me compare heaven today.
And so can you imagine say nyame aye me to say gold e wo heaven ho no na odi me aye kwan. Can you imagine? That would be a blessing. So I believe say you are matured in the things of God. What you need to look for is to be in the hands of God and how He wants to use you. Who am I to decide for God that Papa me person me call heaven if I me call heaven? No. Na me kura me Papa ye nu baby anti me sere ne se omo me na me ntimi ndrum pempen so.
Oh yes, so na me so be boy and yet me drum pempen so e pese ye drum. Ye twa ye ho enkoje nkrato is still the journey. Yakoji enkrato aba ogusoa ehwede journey. And me guess a prophet Abbeam Ampomah Danso and I no echichi nkomo e wode journey so. Papa, afutu be na de be man.
Dear mechanic say even if you don't have a secret, try your best to have one. And then also remember that in this world, do not compete with anyone. because you're complete. Yeah, we put pressure on ourselves. I want to be like this one. I want to be more than that one. Ni nyina emwa na onipa pi a watro wakɔhwe nkwa no. Intro no show woda. Wa ma wonsuo anomda. Sabio wotehwe ye wo so mu pejao. Ense ne da. Nempo wo ye obone a kai papa bi a wodi kan ye wo. Isan se wiase mu ha. Senia awia ye no. Sa ne nsuo be ye.
Ye does daddy so by now season 2 the answer na be no. No achede fefefe bi wa ha ti. Daddy, iba kuma me.
Yo.
Oh, daddy for me.
Yo. Okay.
We na yi na.
Na ye bibi o.
Hey. Okay, who is your crush? Na yama onipa mienu.
Wow.
Edin. We the yama mienu, the yama Emma mienu. Rebecca Akufo-Addo. And Nana Ajiman Kunadu. So if you're supposed to choose a crush, and why your crush?
This is too political.
No,
This is too political.
No, it's not. Mama phone on your home for first lady.
But me ko chusu.
No, it's not about their political way. No, it's about them.
Okay.
As Rebecca and Nana Ajiman Kunadu.
Yeah, ready. Obeya sam menya samo.
Doing some yoko.
But to me na yamre wow. Oh dear. Oh baby, I'm a penny de bia besre me. Cause into am family we now ready for. Okay. I'm come pay already. Because we share Nana Kunadu Obema or fan to say or 10 gram one more do. But me pen Nana Kunadu asempa.
Okay.
Me pen asempa. Tinkobeti mi ama me mani mu ba ko a.
Can't unreplaceable.
On mama ni mani mu ba ko.
Not just a crash, no. Abaye aso. Daddy that's pass to suffer abaye. Yeah, that's a frame for Sky Best Multimedia. And I see you for mine. Then the flower. I want to appreciate you. Say
thank you.
Yeah, do pa. I'm sure near Jumapa. Oh yeah, Edema Ghana. And I bring me a digimadi SC. Me a me digimadi which I me di edi apna Ghana. Kai say na watch be our the Jouney e Abbeam TV so. My hair is by Scientist Hair. Kai say nyame woma ebeye ye. Asida enkoma your sponsors. Now what should I say ne yeshia e the Jouney so.